What's up, YouTube? Make a little POV video. I haven't done it in a while. Hopefully you guys can hear the car when I'm driving it. I did a cat delete to it, and I'm putting a straight pipe on also, so to connect with the stuff, and then with the cat delete, so it's a lot louder. You guys should be able to hear it. But I haven't made a video in a while, so I figured I'd do a little. So loud. It's extremely loud. Let's see if I can give you guys. Now this is in-car driving right now. I got the window cracked. There you guys go. Sounds amazing. I should do a fucking some drive-by so you guys can really hear it, but I think it sounds amazing. But just been busy and I guess haven't really been in the mood, so. But I love this car and I love the sound it gives. And it growls so much. Sorry, a Nissan 350Z went by. Had to give him a little rev, you know. Gotta let your presence be known. A lot of people forget about these cars, but these were the cars back in the 90s and 2000s. And most people got the GSX, turbo, or whatever, but this is all stock. Stock V6, 200 horsepower. But I boosted it up probably another 10-15 horsepower, like I said, so I'm definitely over 200 now, but low 200s. We still got to get a cold air intake. Bad thing is, spoiler came off. I know you guys don't see it no more back there. You would see it through the back window. That shit popped off trying to lift the trunk. So, but it was all rusted out and the hose were all blown out. But it's 20 years old, so it's understandable. So I can't really complain, but I have a spoiler that I'm going to be getting for the car eventually. And it's very nice. I love it. I can't wait. I'm not changing the whole body kit of this car. Like, I'm going to leave the side skirts the same, but I will be changing the front bumper and the rear bumper, adding a diffuser, adding shark fins up top, adding some canards, carbon fiber on the sides, and adding the spoiler. That'll be for the body part. And then I'll have to get new headlights and blacked out taillights. And that would be about it for the outside. And then the engine obviously will get a cold air intake, and eventually I want to turbo it. So, yeah. It's a rainy, crappy day here. Like, it's nasty here, but it's warm, so that's what makes it dangerous. But if it wasn't raining, it'll be a very nice day. This whole week and weekend's supposed to be in the 70s. I love that sound it makes when I'm slowing down with the RPMs. I just love the sound of this car. So good. I hope you guys are hearing this well. You should be, but hopefully you guys hear it fully. That sounds insane. I'd be silencing out a lot of cars with this. I would love to do a two-step battle, like in a meet. This car is definitely gonna be going to a meet, that's for sure. Gotta go and see my dad's. He got this, it's so funny. So, he got the zero turn used through Aaron's. I didn't even know Aaron's did mowing, like, sales. Man, like, I did not know. So, he gets it shipped yesterday. They deliver it, but they don't bring the key. It's all the way out in Harrisburg, so I had to go all the way out to Harrisburg just to get the key. Bring it back, and the fucker don't start. And I filled it up completely with gas. It's a brand new. He just got it yesterday, and it did not start. It did not click. It didn't even light up. And you know, zero turns are not. It's a couple grand easy. But I'll give you guys a startup when I get this finished. We'll see how it sounds. And I'll see you guys next time on the video. Hope you guys are safe and have a good day and rest of the week and weekend.